Hello audience, my name is Jenny Ford and I'm going to briefly summarize for you Griswold v. Connecticut, which is a Supreme Court landmark case that was decided in 1965, and at that time it was illegal to use any device or pill to prevent pregnancy in the state of Connecticut. The Supreme Court ruled that that was not valid because it violated a married couple's right to privacy regarding intimate behavior. And because the Supreme Court ruled in that way for Connecticut, that became the law of the land. Griswold v. Connecticut, as I said, is about birth control pills and also about medicinal articles or instruments that prevent pregnancy. And it's important because in a landmark decision, those landmark decisions are often cited because they make changes and they summarize and they consolidate and they update existing law on a specific topic. In this case, it was birth control pills. Why does it matter? Well, because the law that originated, that I just read to you, was the Comstock Law that was enacted in 1873. Then Griswold overturned that law, so in 1965 and coming forward to the present day, we have had various and sundry cases that because of Griswold have been decided according to stare decisis, which is where the justices look at the existing decisions that the Supreme Court has made already. In this case of Griswold, Title 10, which is government funding in 1970, agreed to provide funding access to the pill to low-income women. And because they decided to do that, $3,500 per health center was sent to over, well, no, that's not true. Over 3,500 health centers received funding for under low-income women. Eisenstadt extended Griswold to unmarried people. Roe v. Wade in '73, as we all know, said that abortion was legal in the United States. Casey versus Planned Parenthood in 1992 said that a woman, due to the undue burden, does not have to notify her husband if she's going to have an abortion. The key concepts we've covered in this class that apply to this particular landmark Supreme Court justice case, I believe, are sexism, discrimination, oppression, and gender bias. I think all those things against women apply to this course in all of their definitive ways. Now, today's rights, women's reproductive rights today. What happens next? Well, we know that Roe has been returned to the states by CODIS in the year 2022, the year that I'm giving this talk. We don't know what's going to happen next, but I will tell you that in my opinion, women will always fight for their reproductive rights. So we haven't heard the last of women's reproductive rights as it pertains to the law of the land. Thanks for listening.